Hello, March 24th, 2024, and we're gonna chop these bananas down today. They've been hanging about 3 months. We didn't get much, but they're not very big. This bud popped out yesterday, and it's tiny. I mean, barely any size to it at all, but at least it's something. Now, in the meantime, I started these. I put onion sets out in numerous places. Kind of goofing around, but at the same time, if you can grow your own, why not go for it? So I bought these onion sets here. They came up a couple of weeks ago, and I put them, and these will be about the size of a softball, a tennis ball. Can't remember the name of them. Yellow onion. So then I put one in each pot. Anywhere that I could fit a tennis ball size onion at full growth, I'm sticking them in the ground. This was a potato that started going bad and started sprouting up, so why not chop it up and throw it in a pot? Hey, even if I don't ever do anything with it, it's better than just throwing it in the trash. And there's 2 more onions there. I put 4 there. And then these, of course, are baby banana trees that I just can't stand to chop up and throw away when I have to dig them up. It's like these 2 here. I'll have to dig this up or get rid of them. You can't have these little babies coming out of the ground. You can have one, but you can't have more than that or you won't get bananas. And we're slow at it. So then there's 2 more onions here. I see only 1 popped up on this one, so I might have to replace this bulb. That's what a set is. It's like a bulb. I don't even see it, so I'll put a new one in there. But yeah, that's what it's looking like out here. Got 4 in this one. So any good containers that I find now, I just go ahead and make a pot. Why not? But yeah, these potatoes, they popped up really quick. So we'll find out one day. Is it a waste of time? I don't think so. Something to do. And then at the same time, these onions cost almost $1 a piece at the store, so hey, why not? Okay, later on.